What is up everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Telegram. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open Play Store and then search here Telegram. Now click on Telegram and then click on install. Now here you can see Telegram will start installing and within few seconds it will be installed in my device. Now here you can see Telegram will be installed in my device. So this is the way to install Telegram. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.